I opened, it's been almost 17 years, but it's from Long Branch. And the first time I opened in Long Branch for 9 years, then it was like 5 tables and kind of busy, and we moved here, which is Asbury Park. My name is Adanech Asghedom. I'm the owner of Ada's Gojjo restaurant. It's Ethiopian and Dominican. Yes, I'm the main chef and the business owner. I do everything here, even my accounting, I do that. I moved because of the diversity of the people. It's very open-minded, very loving and caring people, and also it's very easy to try any food because our food is Dominican and Ethiopian, a little bit kind of spicy, a lot of flavor, and is unique on Asbury Park. There's no Ethiopian food in Monmouth County. I'm from Ethiopia, and then big family. So my mom, she used to be have a restaurant in back home, and we are like 9 girls and 3 brothers. So from 9 of them, the only person I'm interested to cook, always I'm behind of her. And that's what I learned how to cook from my mom. So because of that, I really love the food, what I cook. So when they came in my restaurant, I serve it. That's my mom, the flavor. My mom, what she told me how to cook, she make me to do the same thing what she do. And this place is for everyone. So in one table, you see the Dominican food and the Ethiopian food in one table. So this is the best thing to advise people to come to eat on this restaurant. And because I'm not feeling like I'm the owner, I'm working for my business, and I picked up, I clean up the table, I come to talk to my customer, everything. It's like family restaurant. Whatever you ask, we provide you. That's what we treat our customer. The customer comes and enjoy my food, for me is like satisfaction. I just love it.